The fire triangle composes of three components: heat, fuel, and oxygen. If all three components are present in the correct proportions, then we will get combustion. Here we have a candle made of wax. The wax is the fuel. In the air surrounding the candle is oxygen, as normal breathable air contains approximately 21% oxygen. All we need now for combustion to take place is heat. We apply heat using a naked flame. Now that we have all three components, fuel, oxygen, and heat, we have combustion. Now that we understand how combustion is created, we can start looking at ways of extinguishing a fire. If we can remove any one of the three components, then the fire will not be able to survive. We can remove the heat by cooling the fire. If we remove the fuel, then we will starve the fire of fuel. And if we can prevent oxygen getting to the fire, then we will smother or suffocate the fire. Let's have a look at how this theory is applied in a more practical way. Here we have a burning candle. We can extinguish it by taking away the heat or by cooling, by using water. We could simply leave the candle burn until all the wax has been used up. When that happens, the flame will die because it has been starved of fuel. If we take a burning candle and place a glass over it, then the candle will quickly extinguish. This is because the flame very quickly uses up oxygen and then becomes smothered or suffocated. Here we have the perfect recipe for combustion. The wood is the fuel and the air around it contains oxygen, and the flame from the lance provides the heat. If we were to remove the wood or simply leave the fire burn until all the fuel was used up, then the fire would go out by itself because it has been starved of fuel. Typically, firefighters would use water to extinguish this type of fire. You will notice that they are applying water using a spray, as droplets of water will absorb the heat much quicker than a jet of water. With a fire burning in the open, it would be quite difficult to starve it of oxygen, as the air all around it contains oxygen, and it'd be difficult to stop that air getting to that fire. However, with a fire in a compartment or room, we can starve it of oxygen by shutting down the doors. That restricts the oxygen going to the fire, and will very quickly put that fire out.